Hi guys, in this tutorial we learn some basic commands and previous tutorial we learn how to install MySQL on Windows 10. Here in this tutorial we learn create, select, insert, update, delete, alter, truncate and drop command. Now go into Windows Start button and here search MySQL command line client. Here you can see enter password. Here you have to enter password which is used during the installation time. Here MySQL is open. First we see the database list. Just enter the show databases. Here you can see the list of database which is by default database list. Here we create new database by using command create database name. You can use any database name. Here I give demo. Here you can see query OK. We just check that by using again show databases. Here you can see that demo database is added into database. Now we use this database by using use command use then database name. Our database name is demo. Okay, now we create new table. Here we can use command create table name. You can provide any table name. Here I use table name student. In this table, during table creation time, we use field and data type. In student table, I give some fields which is ID, then data type. In field and data type both are separated by space. Again data type text and I will provide address. Again I take data type text. Here I provide primary key for ID field. You have to give column name or field name in that bracket. In this table, ID is the primary key. Here you can see table is created successfully. For that, you have to use command disk, then table name. Here table name is student. Here you can see the structure of table. During table creation time, I provide three fields ID, name, address and give data type int, text. Now we insert the records. For data insertion, we use insert command. Insert into table name values. Here table name is student. In bracket you have to just provide values. Here I give ID1, then name, my address. Here in this table you can see data type of ID is int and name and address data type is text. When there is a string, that time we have to provide value in single quote or double quote. Can use anything. It's depend on you. Very okay. Here I insert another record. You have to just change the value, do not the syntax. We just check that value is inserted into table or not. For that, we have to use select command. Select star from table name. Here table name is the student. Here you can see we inserted two records and here table shows two records. This is first record and this is second record. Here for table displaying that, for that I use select command. If we have to display only particular record, that time we have to use where clause. Like if we have to select the record which contain ID1. Here we can use where clause. Where clause just specified the condition. Here we give command select name comma address from student where ID is equal to 1. Here we select just only one record having ID is 1. Now we use update command. Update table name. Table name is the student. Update command is used to modify the existing data. For example, in this table, we change the address of Vaishali. Update table name set. We just check that address is changed or not. Again, we use select command. Here you can see by using update command, I change the address. Now we see how to use alter command. Alter table name. Table name is the student. If we have to add new column that time, alter command is used. In this table we add new field which is gender. Specify the data type which is text. We check that this new field is added or not by using select command. Here you can see that the gender field is added by using alter command, as well as we delete this field by using alter command. Again use alter table name. Table name is the student, and here just provide the column name which is gender. Here is if we have to delete any column or any field, that time there is no need to mention data type, just mention the field or column name. But if we have to add new record, if we have to add new column, that time there is need of column name as well as data type. By using drop command, we just check that gender column is deleted or not by using select command. Now we use truncate command. What is the use of truncate command? Truncate command delete all records from the table. Truncate table name. Table name is student. We check that how many records are there remaining. Here it shows empty set. That means truncate command delete all records from table, but it does not delete the table structure. We check that this table name. Okay. Here you can see that all records are deleted, only remaining structure is available. Now we move to the drop command. Drop command delete all records as well as table structure. Drop table name. We check that table structure. Here it shows error. That means this table does not exist because drop command delete all records as well as this table. That's why it shows this error. By using drop command, we delete the table as well as database. In this table, we use demo database. We just delete this demo database. For that, we use drop command. Drop database name. Database name is demo. We check that database is deleted or not by using show databases command. Here you can see that demo database is deleted. Thank you guys. In next tutorial we will learn what is fuse.